po ulit ang airport to airport using Salam Air. And yes, it is open to all travel agencies like us. Yun nga lang, medyo may kamahalan, don't expect the same, which was before. At the same time, lagi nating tatandaan na ang mga travel agencies, kahit sino pa yan, is not the authorized body to approve your visa. Ang approval po ng visa ay lagi pa rin mangyayari sa immigration. Kaya po, dapat we are handa, we are ready financially kung sakaling merong mangyari na hindi na naman ma-approve ang mga visa ninyo. Within 48 hours na hindi ma-approve ang visa ninyo, you should have enough funds para po mag-stay sa bansa na yan or mag-exit sa ibang country para po ma-save yung entry ninyo. Whatever happen, dapat lagi tayong ready. Maraming salamat po. And yes, open na po lang airport to airport, subject to the approval of the immigration.